444 million miles away from your cozy bedroom lies a gas giant, a titan among planets, the big brother of our solar system, Jupiter. In this planet of superlatives, storms rage for centuries and moons hold the promise of alien oceans. Here plays a violent tug-of-war between an immense magnetic field coming from the core and turbulent atmosphere at the surface. This defiant giant refuses to go down without a fight even against the massive gravitational pull of the Sun. But that's not all. The oldest and grandest planet of the solar system, our big brother, had even taken part in the primordial dance of planet creations, shaping, nurturing, protecting a tiny, fragile little blue planet we call home. And yet, the majority of us choose to remain oblivious about Jupiter, a planet unlike any other. Jupiter is big, immensely big. With a diameter of nearly 143,000 kilometers, it could fit more than 1,300 Earths within its massive volume. This behemoth takes nearly 12 Earth years to complete a single journey around our star. For over 350 years, a massive storm has raged on the surface of Jupiter. A storm so large it could swallow the entire Earth. This is the giant red spot. First observed in the 17th century, the giant red spot was noted by astronomers like Robert Hooke and Giovanni Cassini. At its peak, this colossal storm stretched over 40,000 kilometers, more than 3 times the diameter of Earth. But what exactly is it? The giant red spot is an anticyclonic storm, a high-pressure system in Jupiter's atmosphere. Winds within the storm reach up to 430 kilometers per hour. Unlike storms on Earth, which are fueled by water vapor, the giant red spot draws its energy from Jupiter's internal heat. Jupiter's immense size and rapid rotation, spinning once every 10 hours, create extreme weather patterns. The giant red spot persists because there is no solid surface to disrupt it, and the planet's immense gravity traps the storm within its atmosphere. But the giant red spot is changing. In the 19th century, it was over twice its current size. Recent studies show it has been shrinking, raising questions about its future. Could we be witnessing the slow demise of this cosmic wonder? When we think of the solar system, we imagine the Sun at the center, unmoving, with all the planets obediently circling around it. But reality is far more intricate, and Jupiter, the giant of our solar system, plays a key role in this cosmic ballet. Jupiter is massive, so massive that its gravity tugs on the Sun itself. Instead of the Sun being perfectly still, both Jupiter and the Sun orbit a common center of mass called the barycenter. This point is not within the Sun's core, it's just outside of it. This means Jupiter does not truly orbit the Sun. The two bodies are locked in a gravitational dance. As Jupiter moves, it gently pulls the Sun, causing it to wobble slightly in response. The Sun and Jupiter don't simply orbit, they move together, partners in an eternal dance of gravity. Jupiter, king of the planets, hides a mesmerizing secret beneath its swirling clouds. At its core lies an exotic ocean of metallic hydrogen, a substance unlike anything we encounter on Earth. But how did this come to be? Jupiter's immense mass, over 300 times that of Earth, creates crushing pressures deep within its interior. As hydrogen gas is squeezed tighter and tighter, it transforms into a liquid state. Under even greater pressure, millions of times that of Earth's atmosphere, this liquid hydrogen becomes metallic. In this metallic state, hydrogen behaves like a conductor allowing electric currents to flow. These currents, driven by Jupiter's rapid 20-hour rotations, generate the strongest magnetic field in our solar system, 20,000 times stronger than Earth's. This magnetic shield protects Jupiter's moons and powers spectacular auroras. Jupiter's ocean of metallic hydrogen is not just a scientific curiosity, it's the heart of the giant planet's power and mystery. Jupiter is a world of endless wonders. Among its many phenomena is a mysterious feature called the Great Cold Spot. Discovered in 2017, the Great Cold Spot is a massive oval-shaped area in Jupiter's upper atmosphere. Unlike the famous Great Red Spot, this feature is cold, over 200 degrees Fahrenheit cooler than its surroundings. Scientists believe the cold spot is caused by Jupiter's magnetic field interacting with its auroras. Jupiter's powerful magnetic fields trap charged particles, creating intense auroras near its poles. These auroras generate waves of energy, which disturb the planet's upper atmosphere, leading to regions of cooling. The Great Cold Spot is essentially a thermal scar created by the turbulent effects of these auroras over time. Interestingly, the Great Cold Spot isn't static. It evolves constantly, shaped by Jupiter's dynamic weather and magnetic forces. It's a fascinating reminder of how immense planetary forces sculpt alien worlds, leaving behind signatures for us to uncover. Jupiter's Great Cold Spot, an icy enigma in the heart of a gas giant's fiery storms. 4.5 billion years ago, the solar system was a chaotic dance of gas, dust, and rocky debris. Jupiter formed first, a massive gas giant with gravity so strong that it dominated the early solar system. This behemoth acted like a cosmic architect, influencing the orbits of planets and shaping their fates. In its youth, Jupiter embarked on a dramatic journey. Initially, it migrated inward towards the Sun, coming perilously close to the orbit where Earth would later form. This migration disrupted the ancient asteroid belt, sending icy bodies hurtling inward toward the inner solar system. These icy asteroids carried one precious cargo: water. Bombardments on the early Earth brought these oceans that would later become the cradle of life. Without Jupiter's movement, Earth might never have gotten its blue planet status. But Jupiter's influence didn't stop there. As it retreated outwards, it settled into its current position, just beyond the asteroid belt. This location was no accident. It became Earth's cosmic shield. With its immense gravity, Jupiter acts like a guardian, deflecting and capturing countless comets and asteroids that might otherwise collide with Earth. Scientists estimate that Jupiter has reduced the frequency of catastrophic impacts by orders of magnitude, allowing life on Earth to evolve undisturbed. We don't talk about Jupiter enough, but that's okay. It has and always will be there for us, protecting its baby brother from a distance, with or without the appreciation.